This was not a good thing for me to find out. I got this 156 piece piercing kit from bodyj4you. What do these look like to you? Dude, I've been wanting a double bridge piercing for so fucking long. Okay, so let me just run down what this kit comes with. The kit comes with gloves, 2 alcohol pads, your needles, which I think range from 20 gauge, 13, 18, 16, 14, and 15. You get 2 clamps. You also get some piercing aftercare spray. You get all your jewelry. Basically, it's every piercing under the sun. It seems even to me. If it's not, we're just gonna take it out. I feel like it never happened. I fucked up that eyelash so bad. Oh my god, yeah. That was super quick. I really was not expecting it to be that quick. I literally got that done within 5 minutes. I'm just gonna clean it now really quick with my spray. Looks good. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me. Bye.